Hey guys, I'm with Joe with RZ Industries, and we are at their booth here at the AHR Expo, and they've got a really cool product, and Joe is actually going to show us the product and talk about the benefits and the features, because I think this is something really cool, especially with the product fit. The application, there's a lot of PTACs out there in apartment buildings and hotels, and I'm going to be installing this product. You're going to see that in just a moment. But Joe, show me what we got here.
Yeah, absolutely. So, PTAC powered air purifier. So essentially, this is going to fit onto any PTAC unit, and as long as the unit's running, it's going to add air purification as a functionality. There's no mechanical parts, so we utilize the power of the PTAC. It makes for a really economical way to add in-room air purification. We've got HEPA and active carbon filters, so it's going to take care of everything from odors to smoke to allergens, dust, filters down to the virus level. And all you got to do is just replace the filters. They last anywhere from 4 to 6 months, and they work really, really well.
Okay, so 4 to 6 months, you have to replace the filters. And when you say replace the filters, what filters do you replace?
So you can replace all the filters. The HEPA filter, that can be replaced every 4 to 6 months. But if you do happen to have a guest or you're in a room where maybe the high, could have some really high odors, or someone were to smoke in the room, you may have to replace your carbon a little more frequently.
Got it.
But yeah, anywhere from 4 to 6 months. But like I said, if odors return, you may have to replace your carbon filter.
Got it. So one thing I see that I would assume would be a problem would be pressure drop. Because anytime you add another piece of filtration on a unit like this that already has filtration in place,
yeah,
you're going to have pressure drop.
Yeah, so we've got about a 5% airflow reduction, and we've been testing this continuously for about 6 months on a unit. We've got all the test results to back up all of our claims. So if anyone needs test results, we can send those to them. But we do also have some alternative filters that are carbon-based that have less restriction, that get down to about 2% restriction.
Wow, so 5%, I mean, that's really nothing.
Yeah, it's very, very nominal. You're going to still get good airflow out of the unit. It's going to heat and cool the room just as normal.
Awesome. So where can we find this product?
So this is available on our website, which is rzairflow.com.
rzairflow.com.
Yep.
So right here, rzairflow.com. This is great. Tell me, what's the price point on this product?
So we have a version that comes without a carrying case for $64.95, and then we also have a version that comes with a carrying case for about $74.95.
$74.95, got it.
So if you're traveling and you want to take it with you, you have a carrying case. Otherwise, if you just want to leave it permanently installed, you can do that as well.
Okay, so I pay less than $100. I get this HEPA filter, this charcoal filter, really nice, add to my PTAC, help my filtration, but then what about replacement filters? Is it the same price?
You're looking at about between $15 and $30 for filter replacements.
Wow,
Yep.
okay.
So 30 to replace the whole thing, or if you want to just do your HEPA or just your carbon, you're about 15.
That's pretty economical. That's awesome, man. So this is very cool. So product application.
Yeah.
PTAC?
Anywhere PTAC is sold, yeah. If you're
Anywhere
using
PTAC is sold.
You can get air purification.
Excellent. So before I go install this product on the PTAC that I have in the hotel that I'm staying at, Joe is going to show me one of the installation characteristics about the installation of this product.
Yeah, so we've got 2 different types of clamps. So essentially, depending on your brand of PTAC, it might be 1 of 2 clamps. Otherwise, beyond that, it's universal. So typically, a Mana is going to use our double clamp. GE, Frederick, they'll use our single clamp. So all you got to do is just swap out clamps and you're good to go.
Awesome. Thank you, Joe.
Yep.
Let's go install this product. Here's the PTAC that we're going to be installing the RZ Airflow product on. Here's the part number. Here's the website, phone number. Let's go ahead and open this up. Okay, so this is what we got. Okay, so here's the packaging. Here's the HEPA filter. We've got 3 pieces right here. We've got a manual, and then we've got some clamps. Setup and installation. Before use, turn off the PTAC unit. Remove all protective plastic bags and safely discard. Inspect center frame, confirm HEPA filter and center active carbon mesh pre-filter are in place. So first things first, turn off the PTAC. Off. So place the HEPA filter with arrows pointing down into the center frame. So notice the arrow is pointing down. I'm going to place it in the center frame like so. Now place the center frame onto the center of the PTAC unit. Keep vent clamp nuts loose to allow room for the side frames to slide into position. Squeeze the base of the vent clamps to open and install onto the PTAC unit center vents. So to make sure that you don't break this clamp, don't try to force it to the side. Just loosen this and then you'll be able to open it up. Loosen it. See that? There you go. Now you can squeeze the clamp right here and open it. Now this center frame fits right over the vent, the supply air vent. Now once we've installed the centerpiece, we inspect the side frames and side carbon mesh filters to ensure they are in place with arrows facing the top of the side carbon mesh filter. It's fully in place when the vent clamp clearance holes are aligned. So slide left side frame into grooves of center frame. Repeat for right side by sliding right side frame into center frame. So here's the left, here's the right. And this is just going to slide right here. Okay. Let's get the other side. Very easy to install. Notice I'm doing this with one hand. Definitely didn't need to tighten these down yet because we have to install the side pieces. So I'll slide this back, loosen these. Now I can turn the PTAC back on. It's back on. You can feel the air. And now it's filtered. Side view. Here's the part number for the active carbon filter. And this is the product off of the PTAC so you can take a look at it. Go check out the website. Link in the description. Really nice, portable. You could take it with you and install it on the PTAC in the hotel that you're staying. Filter and the frame back in the original package. I'm going to put it in the bag that I'm going to carry with me, and I can use it at another location. Go check out the website, link in the description for the website. Joe, thank you so much for spending the time to show me this awesome product. This is RZ Airflow, and I think there's a huge market for a product like this. And I think that if you own a hotel, you own a big condo, big apartment building, then I think that your occupants are going to be really excited knowing that you're taking care of them on the indoor air quality side. So come visit Joe if you're at the AHR. Another day of the AHR. It's been exciting. Anything else you want to add, Joe?
No, just appreciate you taking the time to check us out.
Absolutely. Thanks.